Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mock, and we are talking about scale today. So a little bit more from last week where we, basically were given a Lego piece and you had, or a Lego design that you had to build to a bigger scale. Today, what we're going to do is check out scale in a different way. So in this, I gave you a picture, and this picture is of a like the first floor of a house, for example. You have your entry right here, entry, and then you can turn left and go into the dining room, and then there's a nice big entrance into the kitchen, and the kitchen flows into the family room here, and a nice big family. Pretty sweet, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use the information here, this scale, where it says every length here is 3¼ feet. And I want to find, let's say, the dimensions of the dining room. Okay? The dimensions of the dining room. So I can take away this here and just focus solely on the dining room. All right? So what we're going to look at is how many squares tall here is this dining room. And there's 3, correct? 3. So that means I'm going to do 3 times 3¼ in order to figure out how many feet it is for the dining room here, right? So let's just do that multiplication to the side. So I have 3¼ 3 times, right? So times 3 over 1. Now, whenever you're multiplying with a mixed number, you have to turn it into an improper fraction. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 3. Or I'm sorry, is 13. So you have 13/4 times 3 over 1. All right? Now, multiplying, you go straight across. 13 times 3 39. 4 times 1 is 4. Now, in order to turn this back into a mixed number, I have to do some division. So just further to the side here, 39 divided by 4. 4 goes into 39. Let's see, 9 times, which is 36. You have 3 left over, so that left over goes up top. Basically, what we just learned is this space right here is 9¾ feet wide. Okay, so now I need to know the long. How many feet long? Because I'm asking for the dimensions of the room. So this is going to be 9¾ feet by what? Well, we have to figure out the next part. So how many squares is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 squares wide. We use the same scale, right? 3¼ feet times 6 over 1. Still going to be 13/4 times 6 over 1. I can cross reduce this time because 2 goes into 4 and 2 goes into 6. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 6 3 times. I'm going to get 39 over 2. So I can go ahead and do what I did last time right here. 39 divided by 2. That's 1, 19, 18, left over 1. So I've got 19½. So this becomes 19½ feet are the dimensions. So 9¾ by 19½ feet are the dimensions of my dining room. And I get a perspective or an understanding of how long and wide this is. Now, if I wanted to find the area of that, to find the area of the dining room, I've got to take those dimensions and actually now multiply them together. So that's going to be 9¾ times 19½ Now, I already know what those are in terms of improper fractions. 9¾ I already knew is 39/4. And I already know that 19½ is 39 over 2. And now I'm just going to multiply those. 4 times 2 is 8. 39 times 39, I could just go over to the side of the paper here. 39 times 39. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 8 is going to be 35. Moving over, that's a 27. That's a 9 plus 2, that's an 11. I'm getting, that's 12, 3, 4, 5. I'm getting 1,521 over 8. Now, turning it into a mixed number again, 1521 over 8, that's once. 72. Does 8 go into 72? Happens to go in 9 times. 0, bring down the 1, doesn't go in. So I'm going to have 190 and 1/8 square feet. And that would be the area of that. So your homework tonight, or for those of you in first and second period, the first, second, third, and fourth period, the homework that's due Friday is to take kind of what I've done here, how to find the dimensions of the dining room, and then how to take those dimensions and create the area. What you're going to do for Friday is to now find the area of the family room, which means you have to find the dimensions and then multiply those together. Okay? This is scale. This is stuff that we're doing, and I wish you luck. Thanks, guys.